What is that, Xiaofeng?
Pizza Hut.
Oh, really? It's a Pizza Hut. Can you make me one Pizza Hut for me? Can you do it for me, and I will get from you later on. Thank you. How about you, Yin?
Pizza Hut.
Oh, Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Oh, later I will get from you later. Hello, Yin. Hi. What do you do? What did you do? It's also Pizza Hut. Can you make for me, please?
Yes.
Later I will get from you. How about you, Gigi? What's that, Gigi? What's that, Gigi? It's a Pizza Hut. Can you make one for me?
Those Malaysian pancake, the one that Mama do. That's what he said. Roti canai.
You know what is roti canai? Like
Pancake. Yeah.
Yeah, they eat with the curry.
Yeah.
Oh,
And also that, you know, the chapati.
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
Roti canai.
Yeah, Indian food.
Yes.
Chapati.
Chicken.
It's recorded.
But then I was doing what I'm doing. That's why I made chapati.
Ajira.
Nah,